All right guys, what's going on? It's Caleb. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different video for you. We are going to do a let's go for a drive. So today we are going to review a 2016 Hellcat. This was acquired from the original owner. It has 5,000, just over 5,000 original miles on it. It's got the nice brass monkey wheels on it. We have that dual vented satin black hood. It does have the premium Laguna leather, and of course the power sunroof. Man, this thing is slick. This is probably one of the best looking Hellcats that we brought in. I love this color. It just pops in the sunlight. I don't know if you can see it, but take a look at that metallic. Beautiful car, absolutely gorgeous. No blemishes on the paint. Even the front lip looks nice and new, really nice condition. Look at the best part. No one's drilled out the holes on the front bumper yet for the front license plate. So this thing is ready to go, ready for its new owner, but let's take it for a cruise and see what you guys think. All right, let's listen to this baby start right up. Stereo works. This thing has the premium Harman Kardon surround sound stereo with the subwoofer in the trunk. Let me tell you, it will bump if you like your tunes. This thing has a great stereo in it. It is an auto. Again, I do like these Challengers. They're a little bit boatier on the outside, but inside is very, very comfortable. If you are looking for a modern vehicle or sports car, American car, that doesn't sit too low, you have plenty of space, I would consider one of these, the Challengers. You do sit up higher, so you're not going to break your back getting in or out, crawling in like a Corvette or even the Camaros, the newer ones, you sit pretty low in those. And it has great features like heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Everything's obviously power, guys. You have your Uconnect, your app, your climate controls here, as well as navigation. And it's a very easy interface, excuse me, to use. And your radio. So let's take a look at the SRT programming in here. You can obviously change it from track mode to sport mode to custom. That's going to change your horsepower, guys, and your stability control. This has the SRT suspension package on it, so it does change the spring rates on it, the way it drives, the cornering, the handling, all that good stuff. And there's even a valet and eco mode on it. So this thing is endless options. You can customize all this stuff. It's a lot to get into, but it's actually kind of fun to look through. Of course, the power sunroof. Listen to that supercharger whine. Absolutely love it. The AC is on. We'll keep that off for now. It's a nicer day, so we'll roll the windows down. Let's go for a drive. Of course, everything works on this car, guys. It's pretty much immaculate. All the turn signals, the headlights, the brake lights, the horn, everything is in working condition. Just a very nice cruising car. This thing glides over the bumps. It's not super stiff, even in sport mode that we're in right now. Has a 8-speed TorqueFlite auto transmission with manual paddle shifting that are connected to the steering wheel, or you can shift it in manual mode with the shifter assembly down in the center console here. This thing is immaculate. Even on the inside, there's not a scratch that I saw in here. So very, very well kept from the original owner. this was his baby. You can tell when people really take pride in their cars, and they just come, they're in extra nice shape. You don't have to shine them up with a bunch of products and make them look like they're new. It just has that new car shimmer to it. That's the best I can explain it. Gets up and goes, guys. I am barely pushing down on the pedal. You hear the supercharger. It just puts a smile on your face. This is a very just enjoyable ride. Very fun. It's responsive. It has all the bells and whistles you'd want, and it's comfortable. You know, whether you have a bad day at work, your boss yelled at you, you're stressed out, you can, you jump in this car and your drive home will just put you in a better mood even. Not that I'm saying that happened to me. Maybe you can relate though. I love how responsive the steering is on it. It's very firm. Just a very nice car. Even these bumps, even the bumps in the road, guys, this thing just glides right over them. So you can hear it dampen through the suspension. Everyone that passes me, or if I'm passing them, they look over, they notice this car. It's just a very beautiful looking car. It's hard not to stare at it. The brakes feel nice. It has those giant Brembo disc brakes in the front and the rear. And with all this power, you need to be able to stop. And let me tell you, this will stop fairly quickly. Right now we're just cruising it, so nice and enjoyable. All right, guys, let's open her up a little bit and see what she's got. Effortlessly, guys. This thing just gets up and goes. I love the supercharger whine. You gotta love superchargers because that's instant boost as soon as you hit down on the accelerator. Unlike turbos, which the bigger you go and the more power levels, they're going to lag more. The supercharger it's a lot more fun. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the Let's Go for a Drive. Again, we are sitting in a absolutely gorgeous B5 Blue 2016 Hellcat Challenger. Again, just over 5,000 original miles. It has all the options you would want. We acquired it from the original owner. I have the original window sticker, all the original hang tags, the service manual, owner's handbook, all that good stuff. If you are interested in purchasing this car, it is available right now. It's ready to go. It doesn't need anything. Let's get a little echo under this bridge. I love it. But if you are interested in purchasing, guys, you can visit volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a deposit on this vehicle. It'll shoot us an email with your contact information. We can help set up financing, get you a low monthly payment. It's super easy. And if you live across the country and you still want this car, we can also get it shipped right to you. It's just as easy, door-to-door service. It'll show up in an enclosed trailer right at the foot of your driveway. So visit volocars.com. Thanks for checking it out.